Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about how I export the SVG icons from Figma and clean it up and publish it as a React package. So first, of course, I select all the icons and export it as SVG. I don't do any optimizations in Figma itself. I do it in code. So this is the code I use to optimize everything. So here I will open build SVGs. So this uses SVGO, which is like the industry standard for optimizing SVGs. So this uses some SVG configs and adds these elements to it, which is width is 24, height is 24, which matches whatever here it is, and fill is none. View box is this, stroke width 1.5, stroke color is the same color, and stroke line cap is round and line join is round, which if you see way over here we'll see this is round, and line join is also rounded over here. So these endpoints and joins are this both line cap and line join, and we add XML information to that. So this is for
It's 1 hour.
the um, normal solid line icon, and for the solid icons we have similar, but we only have fill. So this goes in the it removes every other attributes, because we don't need it. We need a clean HTML file, something like this. When I open a HTML file over here, so here we have only the width, height, fill, view box, stroke width, stroke round, stroke line join round, and the XML data. Everything inside here will change according to the whatever the SVG is. So everything apart from that is same. Everything inside the path, inside the SVG will change. So it's very similar looking. We don't add any other things to the icon, so it's always the same. This is for solid icons. It's always the same width, height, fill, view box, and XML data. Everything inside will of course change. So that's basically it. I just have some good attributes removal. I'll remove all the other unneeded attributes, clean up everything that's not needed, and add only the things that is strictly needed for like rendering in React app or rendering in web in general. So yeah, that's it. Let me know if this was helpful, and this minor UI icons is open source, so you can go in and look at all the code that I've used here. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.